Welcome back to the channel, investors, and if you're new here, welcome to Trading Trends. My name is TJ. We got a great video for you today looking at Fiverr, but before we get into it, make sure that you drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it, guys. All right, let's take a look at the chart. So here's the chart for Fiverr. Ticker symbol is FVRR. We are looking at a 4-hour, 180-day chart here. Fiverr has had a very interesting year. If you're not familiar with Fiverr, they're kind of, like a freelancer type website, gig work, Upworks, whatever you want to call it. Very, very similar to those type of small business or freelance gig work. And they've been having a good run. They came out to this high, which I believe was an all-time high. That was around mid-February at 332, and they had a fairly, quick pullback all the way down, almost to, well, it looks like they even into the 200s there, and then they started moving sideways. And this is when the market dipped a little bit around the beginning of May, coming all the way back to 150. So from 330 to 150 over the course of 2 or 3 months. Obviously, it's a fairly volatile name. But they have had some decent earnings report. The last one was actually pretty flat. I think they were just barely above or below zero, it looks like. But the one before that, they had positive earnings. I'm actually going to zoom out really quick and take a look at the 1-year chart. Okay, yeah. So this green line here is our growth trend line. And until recently, we had seen a lot of strength out of Fiverr staying above that line. But then, in early May, breaking through and coming all the way back down to this 150 level. Would have been a great time to pick it up back there, but you never know, huh? So it looks like they've had a couple of positive earnings reports, and this last one basically flat. They don't have earnings again until the beginning of August. But the reason I'm looking at this stock now is that they've started working back up, and they've consolidated below this 227 level for a good while, a good couple of months, and now over the past 2 or 3 weeks, going back to around June 17th, they've had a very strong upward trend. And so for me, the level that I've been watching here is this 250.56 level, which, let's zoom in a little bit. Look at a 10-day, 10-minute chart. So they came out and tested this last week on June 24th, got rejected, ended up coming back into the growth trend line, and a fairly strong bounce off of there. And over the next 3 trading days, ended up getting up above, but they couldn't hold above. So this was yesterday when they finally broke and looked to confirm this level after a couple of tests. But after hours trading this morning, they opened below and had a fairly choppy day, staying below this resistance again. So I am going to set my alert on this level, look to see them break and confirm, because I think that investors are still bullish on this name, and with good reason. They're a young company that has shown that they have the ability to produce revenue. So there's a growth runway there for sure. Getting away from this downtrend now, they're starting to work back up, and we've seen that they have the legs to go higher. So seeing 330 again sometime in the next 12 months is not unreasonable. I think visiting this 280 level sometime in the very short term is not unreasonable at all. So once we can get a break and confirm at this 250.56 level, I'm probably going to take a position here and get involved. Bullish on this name, and just look to see if I can ride out those couple of points up to that 280 level and get paid. And maybe there'll be continuation, maybe not. But just from 250 to 280, you could make a little over 12% right there. And I think that could happen fairly quickly. It's a volatile name, but when you catch them going in the right direction, who knows, possibly a run up to that next that earnings report, early August. That could be the catalyst. But right now, getting away from this downtrend, seeing some consolidation, starting to work back up. If they can just confirm above this level, I think I'm going to get involved there and just try and ride it out for a nice little 12%. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. And subscribe if you enjoy my content. Turn on notifications so you know when the next video is coming out. And please let me know what you guys think about Fiverr down in the comments. Or if you have another stock that you want me to take a look at, just let me know down below. I'll probably do a video on it. If you guys want to see more of my content, you can check out my second channel, Tesla Trends, where I do analysis on Tesla's chart, usually updated every single day. Check that out. There'll be a link on the screen. Thanks, as always, for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.